How is it going, forex traders? You're welcome to yet another video. In today's video, we are going to be analyzing the market. So you know how we do it, right? We go up to the higher time frame and then we use the approach called the top-down analysis, where we go to the higher time frame and then we start checking all our reasons why we should enter or not enter the trade. I think this approach is a very profitable one because you're gonna be looking at the market with a bird's eye view. So if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, my name is Duke and you're welcome to Kingspark Trading channel. And this channel will help young and struggling traders grow and learn more. So in today's video, personally, this is the first video of the year, so I'm just gonna be going through all the currency pairs that we have, and I'm gonna be looking at it, and whatever we see. So let's analyze, let's see what's going on the market. So this is the USD AUD and we are on the weekly time frame. What we can see is that from a very long time, since 2021, this guy has been in an uptrend, right? So you can see right there, AUD has been in an uptrend, and if you see, each touch of this trend is an opportunity for us to buy, right? So the market touched here, would have entered into the trade, touched here, would have entered into the trade, and now this is 2024 and the market is right here. Okay, let me just zoom this out a bit so that you can see what's going on here. Now in this place at this touch here, this green line is our key zone. You know how we do our key zone, the market on the higher time frame, and then we'll come to the lower time frame to see how the market will react to it. In case you don't know how to draw a key zone, you can go and take the forex treasure map course, taught everything there. So on this key zone, we can see two confluences. Now we can observe that the trend line is crossing here, and then we have the key zone at that same crossing, and then we can see a candlestick pattern just formed here. Right now that we've seen this candlestick pattern, you have to observe that this candlestick pattern is forming on the weekly time frame, right? So this is making it, to me, I'm saying this market should go up. My bias is about, let's say, 70% to the upside on AUD this new year, right? So let's go to the lower time frame. As you know, we are not going to be entering the trade on a higher time frame. Always scale down to the lower time frame. So when we come to the lower time frame, we can see that the market already touched this zone and is already going, like the market is going already. Okay, now you could have entered the market right here at this zone, but now you have not lost the opportunity to enter the market. Personally, with the strategy I used, by now I would have not have entered the market also. So let's look at it. Let's see what we can do, what we can get from this market. First of all, you have to observe that there is a resistance zone here, right? That is a resistance zone here. So what that means is that when this market gets here, it's going to react to this zone, and as you can see, it has reacted here because we see a very long wick right here. Okay, so what I'm going to say is that before you enter this trade, you have to wait for the market to break this zone to the upside. Maybe a strong bullish break, a bullish candle break that zone, this resistance zone, to the upside on the daily time frame before you enter the market. So let's look at another one. I don't know, I've not really done my analysis on the chart, but we're just going to be going through everything. Let's start from the weekly. This is USD CAD, right? Let's see what's going on in USD CAD. Okay, you can see the same candlestick formation that occurred before is the same one that is occurring now, and you can observe something. This is looking like a zone where the market reacted a lot, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, you know. So and now this candlestick formation is forming on that zone. So best believe USD CAD might go up. I'm not saying it's a bullish move, but I'm saying because of this candlestick confirmation, USD CAD is pushing for the upside. So let's look at the daily. Let's see what's going on the daily. Ooh, how did I miss this trade? Okay, so this was last year. I put this trend line here and I was waiting for a break, and I don't know what happened. I didn't enter the trade and the market played out very well. But now let me remove this trend line. Okay, let's see the 4-hour. I just want to see exactly how we can enter this trade. Okay, so now we can see something on this 4-hour now. Okay, we can see something that looks like an inverse head and shoulder forming. You see, this is the neck, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the neckline. And you can see that this already is forming on a 4-hour resistance line, a support line that we drew, right? So what this means is that the market is going to go up. So from here, based on the entry strategy you use, you can enter your trade. You can enter your buy trade right here. Okay, if you enter this buy trade, come and look at the profit margin. Look at the profit margin. It's really high. So that is that for this trade. You can enter here depending on your entry strategy. Okay, let's look at gold. Let's look at what gold is doing. All right, so this is the gold market. Let's go to the weekly time frame. You know how we do it. On the weekly time frame, what can we see? Okay, we can observe that on the weekly time frame, gold has been flying up. You know, from last year, the war and everything, I missed an opportunity here for gold. This big candle, I missed an opportunity here. I was waiting for a retest, and gold never came back to retest. Guys, gold did not retest. So when I missed the opportunity, I was like, that's it, let's just leave the trade. You have to understand that in this market, you will make money sometimes, you will lose money sometimes, and sometimes you will lose on good trades. Gold is one of the trades that I lost on. I caught it right here, and I called it in the VIP group. I said you guys should buy when the market comes back to retest. But you know how gold does this thing, and never ever came back to retest. Let me go to the 4-hour. Let me show you guys what I saw, and I thought the market would retest. Okay, so I saw gold right here. Please, sorry about the noise. They are constructing the road around here, so my house is quite close to the road. Okay, so I saw gold. I saw this consolidation last year. I saw this consolidation and I was like, okay, that's cool. And then I saw gold push up to this point, and I was like, guys, wait for gold. There's a place I saw a gap in gold. Let me see. I want to show you exactly why I didn't enter that trade. Ah, God, where is it? Let's see. Okay, this is the spot. Come on, guys. Woo. Oh, this is very noisy. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, so I saw this happen, and this was what I did on gold. This was why I missed the trade. I put a resistance zone here, and I was like, if gold breaks this resistance zone, I'm gonna wait for it to retest this area, this zone again before I enter. So when gold broke with this momentum, I thought, okay, I'm not gonna wait for it to come down to this zone anymore. I'm just gonna wait for it to touch our key zone here. And as you know it, guys, gold never ever came back there. Okay, that's what happened last year. I lost the trade. It was not funny, but that's the market. We have to deal with it. So let's see what was happening now on gold. Okay, so we can see an equal high here, relatively equal high here. So we can see that's a double top, and it's happening on our key zone, and we can see that the market is already retracing. So this is a sign that gold is about to drop. You know, a lot of people have been saying buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. Gold have broken this place. Now guys, just be patient. The market will pay those that are patient. Okay, the market pays those that are patient. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm still not gonna enter this trade right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a trend line right here. Okay, I'm gonna put my trend line right here, and what we are gonna wait for is that we are gonna wait for a break of trend line, maybe something like this, This is what I'm gonna be waiting for. I'm gonna be waiting for the market to break this to the downside and maybe retest. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna enter this trade, right? But when the market comes to this zone, I'm gonna see how it reacts, and then that's what's gonna inform my decision to enter a sell on this trade. So that is all for today, guys. If you know you learned something from this video, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the like button if you know you gain something. If you not gain anything, like too. Yes. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.